In this equation, 3 times x minus 5 squared plus 7 is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. A, b, and c are constants. If the equation is true for all values of x, what is the value of c? So basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this side of the equation, 3 times x minus 5 squared plus 7. We're going to have to simplify this and turn it into something with an x squared term, an x term, and a c term, where this is just a constant. And if we're looking for the value of c, then we just have to find the value of the constant in this expression. So this is 3 times x minus 5 times x minus 5 plus 7. So this is 3 times distributing x squared minus 5x minus another 5x. Negative 5 minus 5 is negative 10x. And negative 5 times negative 5 is plus 25. This is going to be, don't forget the plus 7 at the end. And then we can distribute 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times negative 10x is minus 30x. And 3 times 25 is plus 75. Adding 7 here, we're left with 3x squared minus 30x plus 75 plus 7 is plus 82. And we're told again that this is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, which therefore 3x squared is the same as x squared, negative 30x is the same as bx, and 82 is the same as c. So c is equal to 82 is going to be your final answer.